have a very interesting product that I wanted to share with you guys. So we have the new Pond's mineral clay range, and this is for oil-free skin that glows. So this is what the PR packaging looks like. So I received in the mail a few days ago, and then so we have two different variants. So one we have is the mineral clay foaming face wash, which is for anti-pollution and which is plus purity. This is for detox, and it is with activated charcoal. And then the other one which we have is the mineral clay instant brightness facial foam, which is for brightening. They both deep clean. So this is enriched with vitamin B plus. So we have two different variants right here, and plus we also have their face masks with us. So again, it's the same thing, but then this is what the mask is, and it's basically of 2 uses. This is what it says, that it's for 2 uses. So basically what it does is that it basically cleanses to the next level with anti-pollution clay cleansing mask, specially formulated with 100% organic Moroccan clay, which is enriched with minerals down to absorb impurities and deep cleanse the skin. So this is for the activated charcoal. This is like the deep clean detox one, and then the other one basically is for, it's again formulated with 100% natural origin Moroccan clay. It's basically enriched to absorb impurities and cleanse the skin. So they both do the same job. So this retails for 30 rupees. These face washes, they both retail for 210 rupees, and they crate of 90 grams, so both have 90 grams of product in them. And yeah, so this is what I've received in the mail. So I'm just going to show you guys bare skin and everything, how the product works. So today I'm just going to be using the White Beauty, which is the mineral clay foaming face wash, which is for instant brightness. And you guys know, I just, because of my accident, like, you know, this is the scar that I have, so it will fade away, so don't worry. So we'll use this one today, and also we're going to use the deep clean for brightening. We'll be using this mask as well. So I'm just going to give you guys a review very quickly, because the activated charcoal one is almost similar with the other charcoal. So I don't have anything else to say. And plus I have tried their products before, but I'm not really sure when was the last time I've used it. So it was like a long time ago. So this is what the packaging looks like, and plus if you open it, like, you know, it's a nice little bottle. So I'm just going to squeeze out. You can see the texture. In fact, the foaming face wash also has a bead in them, like, you know, it's very you know, I hope it's visible though. So it has activated beads in them. So this is what the texture is, and it's almost like a scrub kind of a feel. So I'm just going to do a generous amount. So guys, I'm done with washing my face. I just want to, you know, pat it dry so I can use my mask. I am a huge mask lover. I love masking my face. So you see how instant the brightness it has, instant brightness my face has, and I like how it's not that drying as I thought it would, but then it's not that drying. It's not very making my skin look very tight, and that, which I really like. So then the next thing which I'm going to use is the face mask, which is the instant brightness face mask, and this is with vitamin B3 plus, and yeah, so okay, so talking about the pricing as well, I'm just going to do that later on. And firstly, what I'm going to do is, just comes like a nice pouch like this. So we are done applying the mask, and then I'm just gonna let this dry and then wash my face. So you guys, I'm done with washing my face again with the face mask. Upon, you can see the difference between both of the skin, and plus this is what the skin is. It's not very drying. That's what I really liked about this. It's not that drying, because generally clay masks are very very harsh, and plus it just, because it just gets all your oil, everything out, so it just makes your skin feel very dry and very tight, which this is not making me feel, which I am really positive about, which I really like. So yeah, so this was what my skin feels like. And yes, so I really like these two. As I said, it's a perfect combination. And plus I have had tried the charcoal one as well earlier, so, and they work the same, and plus they are really good in terms of the texture. Again, they have the similar texture, and so there's no difference between both of them for the texture, but then again they work differently. Okay you guys, so this was my review for the Mineral Clay range by Pond's, and I really like the products, and both the foaming face wash as well as the foaming facial foam as well as the face mask. Both of them are really good, and plus we have, since 2 different variants, we have a choice to make. So yeah, so I'll have their product links in the description box below, so you guys can go and purchase them yourself, and I'll have everything in the description box below if you guys want to know more about it. And yes, so I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful, stay confident.